Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. I went up to the city and I said, well, I talked a lot. I am my own stock market advisor. I am my own stock market trader. I do all my own trading online. I do whatever I gotta do. I do a lot of things most people can't, will not, and shall never do. I just always push forward because I got to get to the next level. Well, I went there. They said, do you have a bill due? No, the chickens. The chickens. I'm hearing about the chickens. I will get them off the property by the 29th. And I said, they will be allowed to be here soon. You got less than 2 years. They will be allowed. In the city of Battle Creek, they are allowed. You can have up to 2 chickens now. So, they invited me to the council. I will be there September 3rd. So I said, I got an extension then, right? So I can keep the chickens until the council says I can't. So I got an extension anyway, until I find a good home for them or get out of the city. So I gotta clean up, I gotta mow the yard, I gotta trim all the garbage. They're gonna be inspecting my property. This is not my property, but I use it for the solar. So they don't know this is not my property. So I'm gonna clean this up as well. So I don't have a chainsaw, but I can clean this up. I can make this look a little better. I could probably stack those out back. I could probably stack this stuff. I could stack in, I got a place to stack up. All the kindling could be stacked up inside. I'm gonna hide the barrels, but if they're gonna be coming here to inspect my property, to allow me to have chickens in my garden, I just let them out. They're awesome little creatures. We got 7 chickens in the garden. Pretty awesome. So, as in all things in life, there are obstacles. But as they teach you in the military, you can go right through them if you have to. But it's usually when you got obstacles, to go over them, around them, or under them, or right through them. I used to fight. I fought for 3 years. I fought in the Army as well. So I don't like to take no for an answer, and I'll make them laugh. I'll make it kind of witty, but there's challenges constantly, and we just keep pushing forward. You can slow me down, but you can't stop Staff Sergeant Walker. I might be old, I might be retired, but I gotta keep the chickens if I can. So, what keeps you guys going? What keeps you guys motivated? That'll probably be the next video. What keeps you guys rocking in your world out there? I want to know how Farmer G keeps going. I want to know how Uncle Al keeps rocking. And the Green Dream Project. How do you guys keep your motivation up? How do you keep rolling with your magic? We all have our downfalls. And I take no for an answer sometimes. But I know I got to get out of the city. It's not their fault they got rules. But I got a second chance. I'm gonna assume the council is gonna say no, and I'll by then have a place, hopefully a YouTuber to have the chickens, or somebody to just keep them for a while until I get out of the city. It's hard to find a house in the country with solar panels, because 1 out of 50 houses have a neighbor's trees shading the property. We're the only location that you can put solar panels. That's the problem. Unless there's 5 acres, but a lot of the 5, 6, and 10 acres is wooded or swamp or something. I got a lot of traffic going. I'm gonna cut it. So, adieu. Have a nice motorcycle day.